Morning, guys. It is currently, oh my gosh, like, I don't know, it's like 7:30 a.m. currently because I had to get up so early because right now we are in the island of, I don't even know what island it's called, but we're in Honduras somewhere currently. And so we're gonna go zip lining and we're gonna go to these bridge things and it's gonna be super fun. I heard zip lines we might not be able to do ever again, so we took advantage of it and now I guess we're gonna do it. And I just realized how hot it is out here. But you know what, anyways, let's do it. Alright guys, we got our food, all of us. We're just gonna eat and then we're in Mahogany, Honduras. It's so bright I can't even see right now. We're down here, so we're ready to go, and then we get to chill in Honduras for a little bit until it is 8:30, and then we get to go. I think they'll drive us up to the place where we're gonna go zip lining and see the bridges, and it's a 4-hour thing, and all of us are gonna be doing it. So glad the seats are cold. 88 degrees or something. It's kind of burning. But yeah, we're going on one of those buses and it's currently 8:27.
Numbers 8 to 5 flat.
24 their dollars equals 1 soda. So it's like a couple cents. Dude, that's amazing. USA, you better put up your game. Dang, the island is beautiful. It's insane. Wow. It's beautiful over here. Look at that. You can't compete. Gopro for a little bit. See you guys.
I'm just scared that it's not recording. See you guys! Yeah! Let's go! This looks epic! Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. ¿Habla español? Yo sí. Ok, amigo, muy bien. Viniste excelente, ¿verdad? Excelente. Yeah, mom. The ride is so bumpy.
Ready, Autoplex. We're ready. Whole family. Dude, look at those monkeys. Let's go! Shoot, bro. Yes, sir. I love this. Gotcha. Let's go! Longest one, baby. Oh, I'm getting shit all over my face. Yeah! up? Dude, we got sun water. Premium drinking water.
Filtered for your freshness.
For yours, bro.
For your freshness.
Dude, we're all gonna get superpowers after this.
All I'm saying is, after this,
bro, game.
I'm done.
Game. Yo, it's a monkey? Hey, monkey. Monkey. And they put him in a locker? They're gonna put him in a locker, bro. I was like, chill with the abuse. Dude, we're just gonna chill here. How long do we have till we can go?
I don't know, because we got the suspension bridges.
Yeah, suspension bridges are like an hour.
They are?
Of straight walking. Hey, monkey. Hey, yo, monkey. 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 Bye, monkey. Alright, we're here at the bridge. First bridge we got to walk on. It looks really nice already.
This pizza just looked like
Ready for it? Whoa! Yeah, I know someone's jumping. Yeah, these are shaky. It doesn't look shaky. Adios, adios. Sleep. We're finally here at the cruises. Alright guys, we're back near the cruise. You know, culture is really nice and they have lots of things around here. They make these out of paper, which are really cool. I really didn't want to leave the zipline place, but we had to and we were forced to, so that kind of sucked. Alright guys, just got a frozen coffee with Oreo bits in it. And so yeah, as I said, we're looking around. We're still here actually. I'm surprised we're still here. I kind of wanted to go to the ship, but I wanted to stop by to get one of these. And I guess I'm getting a frozen thing or whatever. I don't know what it is, to be honest. But I'm ready to get it and I'm super tired. Ready to go back to the ship. Alright guys, we're here and we came to this. It's like a turtle, I think. Maybe a snake, I don't know. Long neck turtle. And so they're gonna go eat. I might go look for friends. I don't know what I want to do, to be honest. I'm kind of tired.